Hello, welcome back to Scratch Course. So today in this video I'm going to introduce you to Scratch interface. I'm going to guide you through the applications, how it works and the rest. So if you look at this is if you install Scratch and you have this, you have an interface like this. This is how the Scratch interface looks, and here you can see the Scratch logo. Here it comes with the version, and here you click it, you do internet, you go online. This is file. You can create a new file, you can load from your computer, and you can also save to your computer. So, and this is languages, or you can choose, maybe you don't speak English or you don't understand English, you can search the language that you are used to, then you can speak, then you select. So, and we have edit. Sorry, this is edit. You can restore, you can turn on the turbo modes and the rest. And here is a tutorial like to guide you. If you are new to Scratch, you want to create something, you can start with getting started. You follow the tutorial, you practice, then you come up with, you are going to accomplish all these projects, which we are going to do. We are going to take it one by one in this video and see what we can create. And here you can search, you can choose to make stories, you can create games, music, arts and rest. So, and this is Scratch project, like you want to name your project. And also this is what we call a code. Also, these are the codes. Instead of you writing a programming language like Python and other stuffs, or writing an HTML markup language, so this is just like the programming language you use to program a computer. So, and this is the programming language, the code for Scratch. So we have what we call motions. You see movements, motions deals with movements, and this is the Scratch, the cards. Everything that we are going to do is going to, we'll see it working here. So, and this is looks, and this looks just like is a place where you can give the Scratch command to say something or to respond and all this. So in the training I'm going to guide you, I'm going to take you through. And this is sounds. If you want to play, if you want the Scratch to make sounds, or the story you are creating you need sound in it, then you can use this method, you can use this code, sorry. And we have events. Events is like telling the software or the Scratch that when they click on it, it's just like a command. They're telling the program when somebody do this, then give the results. So, and this event is when you click on it, then based on the command you put in the motion, looks and sounds. Then we have control. If you want it to keep repeating itself or to move and so ever. So, and sensing, we have sensing, is allow it to sense something, just like to sense something. So in the practical aspect, I'm going to show you how it works. And these operators is just like if, greater than, plus sign, mathematics, whatsoever you want to put. So in the exercise practical, we are going to apply all these, and you're going to see how it works. And we have what we call variables. So variables, in programming language, is the same thing in Scratch. So the main purpose of Scratch is just to build kids with foundation of programming, or if you are an adult, I prefer, instead of you jumping into programming straightforward, you start with the scratch. So in the variables, you can make a lot of, you can make your project to look more amazing and give it I don't know how to put it, but when we come to practical, and we have my blocks. So the blocks, these are the blocks, the codes. These ones are the blocks. So, and here we have this icon, add extension. When you click on it, it's going to take you to you can select music instruments and other stuffs that you want to run as a project. So you see the Scratch, we call it a creative computing curriculum or project, which was created by MIT, but now I think the Scratch is very big project because you can use it for a lot of stuff. This is what we call custom. This is where you can customize your cards, and we'll go through it in the practical aspect. You can even delete it, you can even upload your picture to be like the card, so we can go through it. So we call it sprite, and it depends, you can put even your picture, as I said. So, and here is sound. You can customize the sounds how you want it. If the sound you want it to be faster or blah blah blah. So in the practical aspect, I'm going to pick each one of these and explain it. So here is zoom in, zoom out. So this is zoom in, zoom out. So we have play. This is where you can run your command. After you put all the blocks here, then you can click on run, then it shows you the project, and the stop to stop it. And this is how you want the interface to look. You want it to be expand, or you don't want it to be expand. So you can select this one to be normal. You can also choose this one for full screen if you want to see it. So you can also zoom it out. So here there is, you can change this name. Maybe let me put Hacker Cat. Name just changed. So we are going to, I'm going to take here all these tools, and this is where you can choose another split if you want to put, and this is choose, this is pens, and this is surprise, and this is upload. So let's take an example, and here you can choose the backdrop as search, pens, upload. So the backdrop is just like the background, and I'll come through it during the practical aspect. And this, if you have question or you need help, you can click on it, then they can help you, or we can help you. So welcome to Scratch project. This is the entire interface, and this is how it looks like. In our next video, we are going to take it one by one and see how it works. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop a comment, tell us how much you really love it.